In this video, we are going to discuss how to create the CloudFormation template using the CloudFormation Designer. So the CloudFormation Designer is a very helpful tool where we can design our templates in a graphical way. So it will have the canvas and we can drag and drop the resources and we can create the template. So let us check how we can create that. So let us quickly jump to our video and let me open the management console, AWS management console. This is my management console. I have already logged in. So here you can go to the CloudFormation service. Once you go to the CloudFormation service, we can create the stack. So generally in the previous videos, we have created the stack from the template, but in this video, we will create the template from the designer. So let us choose this option, create template in designer. In the previous videos, we have already designed our template and we have uploaded the template. Now let us choose this option, create template in designer. So here we have the button create template in designer. So let us click on this button. So once we click on this button, it will take us to the CloudFormation Designer page. Here we will have the canvas. If you see, this is the caption they have provided to start building your template. Drag resources from the resources pane. So here we have the resource types. We can drag and drop the resources that we want to create onto this canvas. Uh, then it will automatically generate the CloudFormation template code here in the two languages. We can choose either JSON or YAML. Let us drag and drop the resource instance, EC2 instance. So here under the resource types, we have the EC2. So let us expand it and we will choose the instance. So instance, let us search for the instance. Yeah, here instance. So let us drag and drop that here. Now it is going to create the instance and it will automatically generate this is the component, the resources, and it is the name it has given logical ID and the type is EC2 instance, and the template is also the template code it will automatically generate here. This is the template code. For example, we can also let us also create the elastic IP address. So let us drag and drop this elastic IP. And the other advantage is we can link these two resources. Like we can attach this elastic IP address to this EC2 instance. So how we can do that? We can connect these dots. So we need to choose the correct dot that we need to drag. So this is the EC2 AWS EC2 instance. Let us select it and drag it over the EC2 instance. Now this instance is attached to this elastic IP address is attached to this EC2 instance. So if you see, so this is the elastic IP address. Now this is referring to the EC2 instance. This is the ID of the EC2 instance. So this is the EC2 instance 80NF. So it is referring 80NF, which means this elastic IP address is associated to this EC2 instance. Let us also create two security groups. So let us drag and drop the security groups from the resources pane. Here we have security group. Let me drag two security groups on the canvas. So let me drag and drop the another security group onto the canvas. Now we can also associate this two security groups to this EC2 instance by just drag and dropping the correct dots we need to choose. So for we need to select for this is the subnet, this is the security group. So let us select this and connect it over here so that this security group is associated to this EC2 instance. Let me also connect this dot as well. Now, okay. Yeah, now this security group is also associated to this EC2 instance. So in this way, we can create the templates using this graphical representation by using the tool called CloudFormation Designer. This is a quite handy tool and it is very useful for us to create the resources, and also we can modify one more thing. For example, it has given the logical ID as this for the EC2 instance. For example, we want to modify it as my instance. So we can do it as my instance. And if we click on enter, now here it has automatically changed the logical name. And here it is asking to refresh. So let us click on this refresh. So in this way, we can design our CloudFormation templates using the CloudFormation Designer, it is very helpful tool. Once we confirm all the resources, so that we can click on this button, create stack. Once we click on this button, it will just download this template and it will upload to this S3 bucket, and this is the S3 URL. And from this S3 URL, we can create this stack. So now I'm not clicking on the next. So if we want to create the resources, just click on next and we can create the resources. And the another advantage is we can also from the existing template, if we want to choose how the resources are going to get created in the graphical way, we can also do that. For example, just click on that, create template in designer. uh, for example, we have some uh, templates, we can just copy paste that code. For example, I have the template here. For example, if we want to add this template, if you want to check how this template uh, resources in a graphical way, let me open in Notepad++ this template code. It is opening. So this is the S3 bucket. So we can just copy paste the template code over here. Click on the template, just paste it over here. Designer is out of date, so let us click on refresh. So here we can see the resources. So this is the one more advantage. So if we have the existing template, we want to see how the resources and what are all the resources in a graphical way, we can copy paste that code over here and we can check how the resources are going to get created. So this is the greatest advantage of using the CloudFormation Designer. So let us meet in the next video. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you.